Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to be starting a new series of business case studies. In this series, we will look at a number of different organizations, focusing on their history and also looking at some of the reasons they became as successful as they did. By the end of this video series, you will have a better understanding of how and why the biggest companies in the world found their success. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating business case study of Amazon, a company that has transformed the way we shop and interact with technology. What started as a humble online bookstore in 1994 has evolved into a global e-commerce giant, reshaping entire industries along the way. Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder, had a simple yet ambitious goal: to make it easy for customers to find and purchase anything they wanted online. Fast forward to today, and Amazon is not just a marketplace. It's a multifaceted ecosystem that includes cloud computing, streaming services, and even artificial intelligence. Understanding Amazon's evolution is crucial for anyone interested in business, technology, or consumer behavior. The company's innovative strategies, such as its focus on customer experience, rapid delivery systems, and data-driven decision-making, have set benchmarks for competitors and inspired countless startups. By examining Amazon's journey, we can uncover valuable insights into how adaptability and forward thinking can lead to unprecedented success. In this video, we'll explore the key milestones in Amazon's history, the strategic decisions that propelled its growth, and the innovative practices that continue to keep it at the forefront of the e-commerce landscape. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a business student, or simply curious about how Amazon became a household name, this case study will provide you with a wealth of knowledge. So let's get started and unravel the secrets behind Amazon's remarkable rise to the top. Amazon's founding and growth. Amazon's journey began in 1994 when Jeff Bezos, a former Wall Street executive, decided to turn his vision of an online marketplace into reality. He recognized the potential of the internet and aimed to create a platform that would revolutionize the way people shop. Starting in his garage in Seattle, Bezos launched Amazon as an online bookstore, believing that books were the perfect product to sell online due to their vast selection and low shipping costs. In its early days, Amazon focused solely on books, quickly becoming a go-to destination for readers. The company's user-friendly interface and customer-centric approach set it apart from traditional bookstores. As demand grew, Bezos expanded the product range beyond books, introducing music, electronics, and eventually, virtually every category imaginable. This strategic diversification was key to Amazon's rapid growth. Several milestones marked Amazon's ascent in the business world. In 1997, the company went public with an initial public offering, IPO, that raised $54 million, allowing it to invest further in technology and infrastructure. This move not only provided capital, but also increased visibility and credibility in the market. By the early 2000s, Amazon had established itself as a leader in e-commerce, continually innovating with features like customer reviews and personalized recommendations. As Amazon expanded its market reach, it ventured into international territories, launching localized versions of its site in countries around the globe. This relentless pursuit of growth and innovation laid the foundation for Amazon to become the e-commerce powerhouse we know today, setting the stage for its future endeavors in cloud computing and beyond. Amazon's business model is a prime example of diversification and innovation, allowing the company to thrive in a competitive landscape. At its core, Amazon operates a robust e-commerce platform that connects millions of buyers and sellers. The marketplace model enables third-party sellers to list their products alongside Amazon's own offerings, creating a vast selection for consumers while generating additional revenue through seller fees and commissions. This dual approach not only enhances customer choice, but also drives significant sales volume. Beyond its core e-commerce operations, Amazon has developed several additional revenue streams that contribute to its financial success. One of the most notable is Amazon Prime, a subscription service that offers members benefits like free shipping, access to streaming content, and exclusive deals. This service has cultivated a loyal customer base, encouraging repeat purchases and increasing overall spending. Another major revenue source is Amazon Web Services, AWS, the company's cloud computing division. AWS has become a leader in the cloud market, providing businesses with scalable computing power and storage solutions. This segment has proven to be highly profitable, significantly boosting Amazon's bottom line. Additionally, Amazon has ventured into advertising, leveraging its vast customer data to offer targeted ad placements on its platform. This has created a lucrative advertising business that complements its e-commerce operations. Central to Amazon's success is its unwavering commitment to customer-centric strategies. By prioritizing customer experience, offering personalized recommendations, and ensuring fast delivery, Amazon has built a loyal customer base that drives consistent revenue growth. This focus on the customer not only enhances satisfaction, but also fosters long-term relationships, making it a cornerstone of Amazon's diverse business model. Now, let's discuss the technological advancements that have been a driving force behind Amazon's remarkable success, enabling the company to enhance customer experience and streamline operations. One of the key elements in this transformation is the use of data analytics and artificial intelligence, AI. By harnessing vast amounts of customer data, Amazon can offer personalized recommendations, optimize pricing strategies, and improve inventory management. This data-driven approach not only enhances the shopping experience, but also fosters customer loyalty, as shoppers feel understood and valued. Innovations like Amazon Go have further revolutionized the retail landscape. This cashierless store concept uses a combination of computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning to allow customers to shop without traditional checkout lines. Shoppers simply enter the store, pick up the items they want, and leave, with their accounts automatically charged. This seamless experience exemplifies how technology can eliminate friction in the shopping process, making it more convenient for consumers. Additionally, Amazon has been at the forefront of exploring drone delivery systems, aiming to reduce delivery times and enhance efficiency. While still in the testing phase, this technology promises to revolutionize last-mile delivery, allowing packages to reach customers in a matter of minutes rather than days. Moreover, Amazon's investment in robotics and automation within its fulfillment centers has streamlined operations and logistics. Automated systems help manage inventory, pick and pack orders, and optimize warehouse layouts, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing operational costs. By integrating these technological innovations, Amazon not only improves its service offerings, but also maintains its competitive edge in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Like all businesses, Amazon has faced challenges and controversies of their own. Despite its immense success, Amazon has faced a range of challenges and controversies that have sparked significant debate. One of the most pressing issues is related to labor practices and working conditions within its warehouses. Reports of high-pressure environments, unrealistic performance expectations, and inadequate breaks have raised concerns among workers and labor advocates. Critics argue that the company's relentless focus on efficiency often comes at the expense of employee well-being, leading to calls for better treatment and improved working conditions. In addition to labor issues, Amazon has also encountered regulatory scrutiny and antitrust concerns in various markets. As the company continues to grow, regulators in the United States and Europe have raised alarms about its market dominance and potential anti-competitive practices. Critics argue that Amazon's size allows it to stifle competition, particularly affecting small businesses that struggle to compete with the platform's pricing and reach. This scrutiny has led to investigations and discussions about potential regulatory measures aimed at curbing Amazon's influence in the e-commerce space. Moreover, competition from other e-commerce platforms has intensified in recent years, posing additional challenges for Amazon. Companies like Walmart, Alibaba, and various niche online retailers have ramped up their efforts to capture market share, often adopting similar strategies to attract customers. This increased competition forces Amazon to continually innovate and adapt its offerings to maintain its leadership position. Navigating these challenges and controversies is crucial for Amazon as it seeks to balance growth with ethical practices and regulatory compliance. Addressing these issues head-on will be essential for the company to sustain its reputation and ensure long-term success in the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. How does the future look for Amazon? As we look ahead, the future direction of Amazon appears promising, with several potential growth areas on the horizon. One significant opportunity lies in emerging markets, where increasing internet penetration and a growing middle class present a ripe environment for e-commerce expansion. Countries in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America are becoming increasingly important for Amazon's global strategy. By tailoring its offerings to local preferences and investing in logistics infrastructure, Amazon can tap into these burgeoning markets and capture new customer bases. Another critical aspect of Amazon's future will be its commitment to sustainability and corporate responsibility. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, companies are under pressure to adopt sustainable practices. Amazon has already made strides in this area with initiatives like the Climate Pledge, aiming to reach net zero carbon by 2040. Future growth will likely hinge on the company's ability to innovate in sustainable packaging, renewable energy, and eco-friendly delivery methods, which can enhance its brand reputation and attract environmentally minded consumers. Additionally, trends in technology will continue to shape Amazon's trajectory. Advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation will likely play a pivotal role in enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency. The integration of augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) could revolutionize online shopping, allowing customers to visualize products in their own spaces before making a purchase. As Amazon navigates these growth areas, its ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences, embrace sustainability, and leverage technological advancements will be crucial. By focusing on these elements, Amazon can maintain its competitive edge and continue to thrive in the dynamic landscape of e-commerce. In this video, we've explored the remarkable journey of Amazon, highlighting the key factors that have contributed to its status as a global e-commerce leader. Central to Amazon's success are its innovative strategies and adaptability. From its humble beginnings as an online bookstore to its expansion into diverse product categories and services, Amazon has consistently embraced change and leveraged technology to enhance customer experience. We've also examined the various revenue streams that fuel Amazon's growth, including its core e-commerce platform, Amazon Prime, AWS, and advertising. Each of these elements showcases how the company has diversified its offerings while maintaining a strong focus on customer satisfaction. However, we also address the challenges and controversies Amazon faces, such as labor practices, regulatory scrutiny, and increasing competition, reminding us that even giants must navigate complex landscapes. As we reflect on Amazon's case study, there are valuable lessons to be learned about the importance of innovation, customer-centric strategies, and the need for ethical practices in business. These insights can inspire entrepreneurs and business leaders to think critically about their own strategies and the impact they have on their customers and communities. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. Be sure to follow along as we continue the rest of our business case study series, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.